Daily Life English Podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about my typical day.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So Emma, let's talk about your day. What time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That is a good time. Do you like to wake up early?
Not really. I like to sleep a little more. What about you, Daniel?
I wake up very early. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day.
Wow, that is early. Do you feel tired?
Sometimes, yes, but I like the quiet morning.
That is a good point. Silence is nice in the morning.
Yes, it is. So, what is the first thing you do after you wake up?
I drink a glass of water, then I brush my teeth.
That is a very healthy habit.
Thank you. And you, what do you do first?
I make my bed. It makes me feel organized.
That is a great habit. I should do that too.
It is very simple. It only takes 1 minute.
That is true. I will try that tomorrow.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have toast and a banana. Sometimes I have coffee.
That sounds delicious. I love toast too.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. It helps me wake up.
I agree. Coffee is very popular.
Let's look at the word prefer.
That is a useful word.
Yes, prefer means you like one thing more than another thing.
For example, I prefer tea to coffee.
That is a perfect example. What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for work. I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you take a long time to get ready?
No, it is quite fast. About 20 minutes.
That is very fast. How about you? Do you go to work or school?
I go to work at a library. I leave my house at 8:30.
That sounds like a nice job. Is it busy?
Sometimes it is busy. Sometimes it is very quiet.
Do you go to work by car or by bus?
I go by bus. It is relaxing because I can read a book.
That sounds fun. I drive my car to work.
Do you have a long drive?
Yes, about 40 minutes. It can be a little boring.
Oh, I understand. Maybe you can listen to podcasts in the car.
That is a great idea.
It helps the time pass quickly.
I will try that tomorrow.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot.
So, when do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes I go to a restaurant with friends.
I usually bring lunch from home. It's cheaper.
That is true. It saves money. Let's talk about the verb save.
Yes, that is a common verb.
You can save money or you can save time.
I want to save money for a vacation. That is a common sentence.
Exactly. Save is a regular verb.
Right. In the past, it's saved. We just added D.
That is correct. It is very easy to remember. What happens in the afternoon?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
And then, do you go straight home?
Sometimes I go to the grocery store.
What do you buy at the store?
I buy vegetables, fruit, and bread for dinner.
Do you like to cook dinner?
Yes, I love cooking. It is very relaxing.
What is your favorite thing to cook?
I like making pasta. It is simple and fast.
Pasta is delicious. My favorite is pasta with tomato sauce.
Me too. That is very yummy.
What about you, listeners? What is your favorite food to cook?
Please write your answer in the comments. We want to know.
After dinner, what do you do in the evening?
I usually relax on the sofa. I watch TV or read a book.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love movies, especially funny movies.
I like action movies. They are very exciting.
Oh, I agree. Action movies are great, but sometimes they are too loud.
That is true.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30. I like to get enough sleep.
Me too. Sleep is very important.
If you don't sleep, you feel tired the next day.
Exactly. Tired is an adjective. It describes how you feel.
I am tired. He is tired.
Yes, it's a very useful word for beginners.
Is there anything else you do before bed?
I like to listen to soft music. It helps me relax.
That sounds lovely. I like to write in my journal.
A journal? That is a great habit.
Yes, it helps me remember my day.
Do you write a lot?
Just a few sentences. It's very easy.
I might start doing that too.
You should. It is very peaceful.
Our day sounds very busy, doesn't it?
Yes, but it's a good busy.
I agree. I like having a routine.
A routine makes life easier.
It really does.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.